Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make a tornado bottle. So here's what you're going to need. You will need 2 empty, clear, clean bottles. I have 2 soda bottles, but water bottles work as long as they are clear and plastic and you can see through them. You will also need some duct tape. You will need some water, and I'm standing right by my kitchen sink here, so that will be my source of water, and you will need a towel to help you dry things off. So step 1, after you have cleaned and taken the labels off your bottles, all you need to do is go to your kitchen sink, and it's best to do this at a sink or in the bathtub the first time to make sure you're getting it right. And fill the bottle up about 3/4 of the way. So about that full. Okay, so you can see it's about 3/4 of the way full. Then you need to dry off the top of the bottle really, really well. This is an important step, or your duct tape will not stick to your bottle the way it's supposed to. Alright, so I've got my 2 bottles, one with water, one that is empty. I am going to flip the empty bottle over the top and kind of balance it right there so that the 2 ends are sitting. Then comes your duct tape. Now you may want to get a parent to help you with this part. And again, make sure that you are doing this over the kitchen sink or in the bathtub. So I have a pretty good piece of duct tape, and I am going to put it right around where the 2 bottles connect. And as I'm wrapping it, I'm going to kind of wrap it gentle first, and I'm going to squeeze it down and make sure that there is a very good seal between these 2 bottles. There we go. Now I'm just going to squeeze and squeeze. Make sure, now the reason I'm doing this really good seal and really squeezing it all the way around the edges is to make sure that no water leaks out, because that wouldn't be good and that wouldn't be helpful for our experiment. Alright, let's see if we can get it to work now. So I have my 2 bottles connected together with duct tape in the middle, water in one, empty in the other. So here's what you do. Again, over a sink or a bathtub, just in case you have some leaks and you didn't connect your duct tape well enough. Grab it, so you can see my hand going upside down. Grab it, swirl it, and let it go. Do you see the tornado? Let's do it again from the other way. Grab it, swirl it, swirl it, swirl it. And there you've got a tornado in your bottle. One more try. Grab it, swirl it. We got ourselves a tornado. So I hope you guys have fun trying this out. Have an adult help you. Make sure that you are doing this over a sink or a bathtub in case it leaks. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.